Hi everyone. So today we will see about MySQL SELECT statement. So which is one of the most important SQL command which is used for retrieving data from the SQL database tables. So let us see about what is the importance, what is the syntax, and also we will see some of the examples in MySQL workbench. So select statement is a DQL language command, that is data query language command. So which is used for just query the table or retrieve the records from the table. We are not doing any modifications or any manipulations of the data of the table, but only we are just reviewing the data or just viewing the data from the database table according to our requirement. So let us go with the MySQL select statement. Okay, so basic select statement. So when I say about select statement, it will retrieve data from one or more columns in a table of a database. Also we can retrieve the database like database values from more than one table also. Okay, so syntax is we need to just go with some the syntax is we need to first put the select statement, then what are the columns that you select, and from table name. Also there is one more thing that you need to keep it here is a where condition. So where condition will specify from where or what is the condition, based on what condition the records have to be retrieved. So we can say like it is used for filtering. Okay, it is used for filtering. If you don't use any like where condition, the entire records of the particular table along the columns that you select, it will be retrieved and it will be displayed to you. Okay, for example here it is select name salary from employees. Suppose if there are 100 records in the table, so all the 100 records will be displayed here. Okay, so this is about select statement. Next one we have select star. So what is a star? Star means all columns. So previously we have mentioned only few column names, right? Like name, salary and all that. But here if I put asterisk here, what is the meaning? I am selecting all the columns from the table. Okay. So if I want all the columns from the table, simply write select star from table name. Okay, next we have a where condition. So as I mentioned previously, where condition is used for to filter the records. Okay, for example, if I want to filter, see select column 1, column 2 from table name, where condition. Okay, so here suppose here it is select name salary from employees table where salary is greater than 50,000. So whoever salary is greater than 50,000, their name and salary will be displayed from the employees table. Okay, so this is about select with the where statement. So where statement, it is used to filter the records from a database table. Next we have order by. So order by, it is used for to sort the records from a particular table in descending or ascending order. Okay, so we have it like this: select column 1, column 2, like that columns from table, order by column 1. Okay, whichever column, which column you want to, based on which column you want to sort the records. Either you use ascending or descending. Okay, here it is select name salary from employees, order by DESC, order by salary DESC. So based on the salary column it will sort, but descending. So starting will be the highest value record, then it will sort according to the salary. Okay, sort the records according to the salary and it will display all the values of name and salary. You want in ascending order, so don't use this DESC. No need of using ASC also, because by default it will be sorting the records in ascending order only. Okay, so this is about, if you want to sort the records from a table, use order by class. Okay, so this is about like a few examples of select statement. Okay, so we will see one demo of this. Okay, now let us take any other table which have some values. Okay, so in MySQL workbench we have one default database, okay, that is Aquila. So here the values will be displayed here. So in the table object, if you see, okay, you have category. See, so many are there. Okay, now if you see country, this is the countries category. Then you have address is this many columns. Okay, so in this address column I want to display all the records. Okay, see, if I just select all the columns from the table, so you just put select star from sakila.address. So sakila is the database name and address is a table. Okay, now suppose if I want to select only two columns. Okay, so what I need to write, select address. Then just remove the caps lock, address ID, then address. Okay, and I want phone number also, phone. Okay, from what is the table name, table name is dot address. Okay, I don't want to use any where condition, so just so only three columns are selected here. See, now suppose I want to put one where condition. Okay, let me just copy this. Okay, I am using the where condition. So here where address ID is greater than 10. Okay, so whoever address is greater than 10, those address IDs, address and phone number will be displayed. Okay, so see, starting from 11 it is displayed. Okay, next one. Now suppose if I want to sort the records. Okay, so select. You want to select any other column. Okay, I will use this only, address ID, address. Okay, let me just check any other column is there. Okay, so I will do one thing, I will take customer column. I think payment is there. Payment column is there. Okay, so I want to just retrieve the like records of the table in descending order of amount ID. Amount is there. Okay, so let us do that. So select, I'm just selecting payment ID, then customer ID, then comma amount from dot payment order by amount. Okay, so this is a order by amount. Okay, so this is one, see, order by amount ascending order, so starting 00 came, see. Then next one is, okay, so this is about, now you want in descending order, then just put B. So this will be your, now you want to just sort by another column also. Okay, so order by amount comma customer ID. Okay, so I will do, so what this method will do is, first it will check with the amount. Suppose if amount is correct, means amount is same between the two records, it will sort the records by the customer ID. If amount has, if the first column has the same values, it will go to the secondary column, and it will sort the records according to the secondary column. Okay, so here it is, see, 11.115 descending order. So here, so these all records are having same values amount. Okay, so it will check with the customer ID and it will sort the records according to the customer ID. Okay, so let us execute this. Now see, 576, 560 months. So first it is sorting by amount. Okay, and if you see here, see, order by amount, customer ID, DES. Okay, so amount it is taking in ascending order because we didn't put any ascending or descending. Okay, so let us suppose I want this as DES. Now you can do this. See, first amount DES, since this is same, it will sort the records according to the second, that is 592, 591, 362, like that. Okay, so this is for the order by. Okay, we will see the order by clause in the next sessions in detail. Okay, so this is a like use of the select statement. I have already shown some examples of the select statement. So just to practice on this select statements, and we will go for more topics on select statement in the coming sessions. So thank you everyone.